What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today we're making curry tofu. If you've never tried tofu, you must try this one. I'm using tofu firm. There are different types of tofu, just don't use the soft ones. I added a little olive oil to my pot and then I just fry off my tofu. It's mainly to get them a little firm because I don't want them broken up. So if you can get extra firm tofu, go ahead and get that one. So I fry them off, brown them a little on one side, then turn and I remove them from the pot. And I add some shrimp. So it is curry shrimp and tofu. This was so flipping good. I also sprinkled a little Tony over them. And guys, I know the video came out good. I liked the video, but it was kind of dark. The lighting was kind of off. So don't mind that. Just look at the video. So yeah, I added some shrimp and I always use my garlic. So I added shrimp and garlic. I stirred that in. Then I added a little onion powder, a little garlic powder, and I added curry. Then I added a little coconut milk. So that's the frozen thing that you'll see me throw in there. And oh yeah, you know I have to add pepper. I always add pepper. I stirred everything in and let that cook. This thing goes so fast. So this is the coconut milk I'm adding now. And oh, I was doing TikTok. And that's why my lighting was off because I wasn't paying attention to the camera. I was just mainly paying attention to my TikTok. So there's the coconut milk. It's melted out. And I added some onions with a little Scotch bonnet pepper on that. Then I added some broccoli. After the broccoli, I added bell pepper. So these are all bell peppers. Some are red, green, and I think orange. So yeah, bell peppers. And again, you just keep stirring to get all this marinated in the gravy. And then we invited the tofu back to the party. I added a little more Tony's just for taste. So taste before you add more Tony. Because remember, Tony is salty. And mine just wanted a little salt. And because I don't use salt, I just added a little more Tony. Then I just served this up on a bed of spinach because that's what I felt for. But I know this would taste so good over rice. And by itself, oh my God, you can just eat it by itself if you don't want to serve it over spinach. But this was bussin', slapping everything. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to give us a try. It was quick and pretty easy. I love you guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Mwah, mwah, mwah. See you soon.